Evil Crossover back with another review, and this is for the JSAUX Nintendo Switch 2 Ergonomic Battle Armor Protective Case. So again, this is for the Switch 2. So if you're ready to get yourself some accessories for your Switch 2, this is the one to get. So this is going to be a comfortable hand-filled case, shock absorption and drop resistant, and it's also all-around protection. So definitely with this ergonomic protective case for the Switch 2, these are the materials: the polycarbonate material, thermoplastic, polyurethane. So it's definitely light, and it's definitely the way to go. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Switch 2 case and get this going. So we're unboxing it here. This is how it's going to come in the bag, or in the box I should say. And look at this one-piece design. So it's nice hard shell TPU materials here, and it's great. It has all the cutouts. So it's going to have the cutouts for, the upper grill, SD card slot, the USB-C port. Again, on the bottom, USB-C port. Again, it has this nice little speaker, little grills here for your grip to hold the Nintendo Switch 2 nicely in your hands. Has the branding in the back. So definitely, all in all, a great case to go ahead and get for your Nintendo Switch 2, which is going to be released soon. So definitely go ahead and get your JSAUX Nintendo Switch 2 protective case all in one piece. So definitely easy to put on and take off. And we'll definitely catch you on the next review.